So how good is a mini gorilla? I'll say it's pretty good. So I divided 8, actually I had 2 pieces, I divided them into 8 smaller pieces and then I resaw them all like this way on my Laguna bandsaw, and this is how much dust I got. I was just about to clean it and I thought I'd do a video prior to doing that. It's just, this is normal stuff. Before I was using, I had tried both the Raycon on this and my shop vac, my rigid, and it'll be a complete mess all the way around and piles of stuff here. So this is way better, and this is a rockler hose and cleaning attachment, and it's just going to clean up. Yeah, so this thing is pretty powerful, and what I was doing is I'm not blocking the whole thing. I'm just bringing my fist to the front, and it's just like literally retracted the whole hose up in the air, and this is pretty heavy. And the other thing that will happen is if you do that, if it cannot contract the hose, the machine will actually walk towards you. It's crazy the amount of suction this thing has. So I think I'm gonna have to make a little mount there so this boy doesn't follow me around. I already have a cat that follows me around. But anyways, that's my take on the mini gorilla. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So, and the hose is from a rockler, so like 3 feet when it's compressed, and it has, I think, 21 or 22 feet. So from where the thing is, this thing is 16 by 24, so the hose can reach pretty much anywhere, and as you can see, you can clean up pretty fast. So yay for Oneida, if I'm pronouncing that right. Mini gorilla said definitely 5 stars.